whole story for Interface Flor began in 1994 when Ray Anderson, who's the chairman and founder of the company, came up with the Mission Zero challenge to the business, and that's to make the company become sustainable and then ultimately a restorative business. We don't use materials that are toxic, we try and avoid the use of fossil fuels, and all materials that we'd use within the business would either be renewable or, from a technical point of view, recyclable or bio-based. One of the things that Interface does, it constantly innovates and redesigns its products to become more sustainable. How we do that is by looking at how we can incorporate more post-industrial, more post-consumer materials back into our products. For instance, the nylons that we use in the surface of the carpet, they're up to 50% post-industrial recycled nylon incorporated back into them. We're starting to drive for a higher content now of post-consumer material into them. And we have down in the factory a machine that we call Cool Green.
The Cool Green machine is a three-stage process where we take trimmings from the bitumen backing line and scrap carpet tiles and what we call re-entry, which is tiles that we brought back from customers, used tiles back from customers. We put it through this three-stage process. One is chopping it up into 1 centimetre pieces. The second stage is what we call agglomeration, where it actually makes it into a homogeneous crumb or pellet, and then we pulverise that into a powder of about 40 microns. This is then put back into our bitumen mix as a percentage of bitumen substitution and limestone substitution.
We do things like we have a computerised building management system, and that's a self-learning computerised system that's monitoring ambient temperatures, ambient lighting, and it's adjusting the heating and lighting to be as efficient as possible all the time. And something as simple as that can reduce your energy bill by a significant amount, tens of thousands of pounds per year, and carbon production by hundreds of tonnes. The first year we ran something like that, it saved 500 tonnes of carbon in 1 year. We have conveyor systems that only activate when products are in front of them.
The conveyor that actually does that is what we call intelligent conveyor, IntelliVeyor. They're in sections of about 60 centimetres, and they only actually run when the carpet is actually wanting to be conveyed. They're actually stationary and passive otherwise, which is about a saving of about 60% of the energy consumption of a normal conveyor.
Reduction of waste to landfill globally since Interface started this programme is 78% since 1996. Energy reduction since we started in 1996 is down 44%. We achieve all that by involving everybody in the business. It's not just a few managers or scientists around the business who come up with the ideas. Traditionally in textiles, people were bonused on output. What we did a couple of years ago was to take the traditional bonus schemes in the business and change them, and we incorporated more sustainable elements within them. So instead of people just concentrating on how many square metres they can shove through the machines each day, they're also incentivised now on material utilisation, on energy reduction, and things like that. So it's quite a complex bonus scheme in effect, but it's driving the business where it needs to go to becoming a more sustainable business. We've been able to successfully win 2 Queen's Awards for Sustainable Development, and we won those consecutively. And I think that can be quite an assurance to customers that the products they buy from us are as sustainable as current technology will allow them to be.